Hey, welcome. This is Dennis from Stay Outside and Explore. Today I'm going to make my world's famous chicken noodle soup. So let's get started. I got some chicken broth. Going to add that. Alright, got that all emptied out. I'm going to add these carrots. I just peeled them up. Going to cut them up. Add some celery. So when I add the ingredients, I'll turn you back on. Going to cut up the celery to add to my chicken noodle soup. All right. Add some more. Okay, let's take a look. So now, let's stir this up a little bit. Add a little black pepper to it. Oops, I think it's got a, yeah. Ooh, it might be a little peppery. We'll see. All right, let's add some better than bouillon. Chicken flavor to it. There we go. Stir it up. Gotta get those vegetables nice and tender before we add the chicken and the noodles to it. Alright, I'm gonna do a little taste test. Tastes pretty good. I think I need to add a little more chicken stuff to it. I'm going to use this whole thing. It's all empty. What I'm going to do is add some water to this, shake it up, so I can turn down the heat a little bit. Shake this up. There we go. All right. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. And then do another little taste test. Yum. Tastes good. All right. It's looking really good. I tasted it already. It tastes really good. Now it's time to add the chicken. We got, my wife went and got a Costco chicken the other day. So what better to use is to make some chicken noodle soup. Homemade. That's the best. And in just a little bit, I'll be adding the noodles. Let's see, I'm just trying to get a carrot to see how tender the carrot is. Huh. It's hot. Yeah, I think it's time to add the noodles. All right, I'm gonna add some extra wide egg noodles to it. I like a hearty soup. There. And all I gotta do is wait for the noodles to get a little tender. Just let this simmer, and good old chicken noodle soup. All right. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, I thank you for returning and checking out my videos and stuff. And I will have another video coming up real soon. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.